Hello again. Today I'm doing another little project, and it is to clean out the radiators on my 996 turbo. I've already put it up on the quick jacks, so now I'll start to take off the screws holding the bumper in place. You start with taking off 3 Torx screws, 1, 2, 3, and this little push pin. Then you take off this side marker light, just held in by a clip. If you just twist it, you can take off the bulb holder too, but so you don't ruin the bulb or anything, it's easier to just unplug it and put it straight back in, so it's safe. Then you have 1 Phillips screw here. Just a heads up, while editing, I think I realized that there should have been an extra screw in here that was missing on my car. The front fender of my car seemed really snug and well held in place, but I'm pretty sure there was supposed to be another screw there, just so you know. Then you repeat on the other side, and both sides should be loose. Then we go underneath the car, and there is 11 bolts you have to take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you open these. And then there's 2 more Phillips screws hidden on each side here. And there's 2 screws you need to take out on each side. And here you can see all the debris that's stuck inside here. On the other side, you do the same 2 screws, but you have to push through this rubber piece too. To get better access and to clean behind, you take off the condenser tube. You can see there's not really that much more behind, but it's definitely good to clear out some stuff here. A little different kind of night insects, apparently. I'll just use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush and get it out. While I'm at it, I also took off the inner fender on the one side because there is a piece missing here, and these were broken off, so I've started plastic welding. I'm gonna try and fill in this part. I also fixed another couple of broken places, like here there was a crack. So hopefully that will clean up nicely and I can avoid having to buy a new one, because these are really big and a pain to send and quite expensive to buy from the dealer. some plastic welding later, and there's now no hole anymore. Looks pretty good. It's definitely not as strong as it should be, and I think I might have to replace it at some times, but now at least there's no hole and it's a bit stronger and better attached than it was. Also, this crack is looking pretty good, and also some of these cracks. So I'll put that back on. There's one thing that's bugging me still though. These rims are 19, 8.5 wide with 225/40 on. So it's basically the only tire size that fits within 5% of the four-wheel drive system. And I know that there's other people that have this setup, and I've never heard about people having rubbing problems. But if you see here, it is extremely close to the metal inside there. So as soon as I put on the inner fenders, I rub. And I've tried heating up everything many times, but no matter what I do, it still touches. So if you have any good suggestions on what to do, let me know. I've also heard about the in front intercooler hack, or whatever people call it, and that's when they cut off a part of this. But the problem is that's not where this wheel is rubbing. The problem is here, and this brace, then you would need to re-weld the whole bracket basically. So if I do that, it's possible, but it's a lot bigger hack than I'm attempting to do at this moment. Maybe sometime in the future, but if you know a better way of solving this problem, please do let me know. Everything is cleaned, and I put back together the plastic part I fixed. So now it's time to put everything back together. These things have some tabs on the rear here that you just slot into the back of the radiator like this. You push this tube through, and then it slots perfectly back in place. Then you just reverse the procedure from taking off the bumper. That was a bit of a pain. I tried to do top first, but then I squished the bottom one, so I definitely recommend checking the bottom one so you don't bend or break them. And then kind of pull it in and get the sides in, but that was a bit of a pain. Then it's the true Phillips screws here. And this thing. It's possible to do that without removing the headlights, but getting this rubber thing in will be a tiny bit easier. If you take the headlights off, it's definitely possible without them. Small ends on, so you just push them down and turn them 90 degrees, and then they lock it in place. Then we do the torques. I'm holding the lip. Then the Phillips screw that's in here. And I've already done the 2 torques and the push pin. So now, the only thing left is this. Last time I found out it was easy, or a lot easier, to try and push here while pushing the light in. Made it a lot easier. Project completed, everything is put back together and the radiators are clean. Hope you find this useful, and please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.